Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to fill a table based on number. Let's start. Our topics is tick the correct columns in the table below. Look, here is real number, non-real number, rational number, irrational number, whole number, natural number, integer in first row. And first column we are seeing here is different type of number like 0, pi, minus 1, etc. We have to tick the correct columns like 0. 0 we know it's a real number. It's a rational number because we know rational number can represent p by q. It's not irrational number. 0 is a whole number, but it's not a natural number. Natural number is a counting number which is start from 1 and it should be up to infinity. So 0 is not a natural number, right? And 0 is a integer because we know integer is a whole number but including 0. Okay, so we have to take out this one. Now pi also a natural number, but pi is not a rational number because pi is a big number 3.14 dot dot dot, but it will not finish or stop, so it's a irrational number. Okay, then minus 1 is a real number, it's a rational number. And look, minus 1 it's not a whole number because whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 like this, but minus 1 it should a what? It should a integer, right? We have to take out here. Now minus 1.45 it's a real number, right? And it's a rational number. Now our question, why not integer? Here minus 1 is an integer, but why not minus 1.45 is not an integer? Because integer cannot include fraction, but here 1.45 is a fraction, therefore minus 1.45 is not a integer, right? Now root 3 is a real number, but it's not a rational number, it's a irrational number. Now look, here is root minus 8, it's a non-real number because root minus 1 it's a complex number, it means it's not a real number. Now look, 13 by 16 it's a real number, right? And it's a rational number because 13 by p, 13 is a p, 13 by 16, 13 is a p, and 16 is a q, so this is a rational number. And finally minus root minus 5 whole square. Look, this one also a what? Non-real number because once we see root and minus together it will become complex or non-real number. So this is our video. These types of math is very important, and this one video you can learn lots of things, and you have to know about real, non-real, rational, irrational, whole, natural, integer, etc. If you want these kinds of example or description, in the description box I put a link where you can find out the definition of several types of numbers. So thank you very much being with me. If you think this video is okay for you and helping you, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.